Hello everyone! Okay, so I've been delaying this one for a while. If you remember back a long time ago, we did a video about the Pixar boxes from Loot Crate. So I'll put a link down below to that video. If you have not watched that video, it definitely would help you to watch that one first to kind of understand the total scope of what's happening here. So the quick behind this is we ordered 4 individual boxes. There were one of each. It was all Pixar based. There were 3 different boxes, and then if you paid for all 3 boxes, then you got this coat at the end. So it took like months, and it never showed up. Like a lot of months, like 6 or something like that. It was crazy. So I reversed the charges on the credit card and said I'm over it, and then all of a sudden 4 boxes showed up, and then those were all identical to each other with a bunch of fanny packs and stuff like that. And then more boxes showed up, and I think it was 2 or 3 of the second, 3 of the second box. So now that was 7 boxes. So now, and this has been over a year since I've ordered this. So now 2 more boxes showed up, and they feel different in weight. So I have to. Okay, so here's one. So this is like Groundhog Day. It's so weird. And the worst part of all of it is, like, late is late. It is what it is. But the merch is so horrible. I can't even begin. Okay. Ready to go down this rabbit hole with me? I'm so scared. Okay. I don't know if they're just I get these for the rest of my life now. I don't know how that works. Here we are. Oh no, this is the coat. Okay, hang on. We're gonna wait, because this is supposed to be the last one. Okay, so the other one. Okay, so let's see here. I'm a little confused. It's not the first time. Alright, let's try this again. If this is. Maybe I got 2 coats, I don't know. Ready? You've got to be kidding me. So, this is again, I think this was the second box. There's just the first box. I don't know. So this is the this is the scarf that comes with the what mood are you in, and you can put the thing on there, and then this is the ugly Nemo that smells like a. It smells like a raft. Here, I got them all over the place. And then I just can't do it. The lunchbox that fits half a spoon in a snack pack. I'm not gonna throw it because I don't want to. Yeah. And then the one cute thing that comes in this box is a couple of pins. I've got a lot of these. And this must be Woody's boot, which is a cute design, unfortunately. So we've decided we're going to start using these as planters for little succulent plants. Because no human can drink out of this if your hand doesn't fit in it. I can't do this. There's a snake in the boot. It's super cute. It says Andy on the bottom. I'm starting a store. I'm gonna start selling this stuff. I'll give you a good deal. Okay. Okay. Back to this one. So we're still missing one.
So now we have 3 of each box.
Yeah, the 4 of each box now. So we have 4 of the first box, 4 of the second box. None of the third box, and then this one. Okay. Oh. Wait, maybe this is the third box that's in the bottom under the jacket? Alright, hold on. Okay, we have some more Pixar pins. We don't have these yet. It's Jesse and Jack and Joy. I'll throw these in the photo box so you can get a fantastic look. Boop. Okay. So this must be the third box, and then they just put the coat in with it. So maybe I'm complete now. Looks like a tin. So it's a tin, and it says, "Who's your friend who likes to play Bing Bong?" And inside this, ready, is nothing. Alright. And then, these are cute. Got some Sully socks. Yeah, I mean, they're Sully socks. Those are cute. They'll get used. And what do we got here? Oh, these are kind of cute. Coco. Do not microwave, hand wash only, made in China, 15 plus years old. Oh, they're glass. They're glass coasters. That's cool. Okay, they're not glass. They're plastic. They're like plexiglass, but they're cute. They're Coco characters. I'll put them in the... I'll put them in the photo box so you can check them out in all their glory. Boop. Alright. Wally shirt. This has promise. Oh, it's a long sleeve. That's a cute shirt. Got Wally and Eve on there. Is there anything on the back?
No.
Alright, I got a shirt. And now, for the creme de la creme.
We ordered those in 2XL.
Yeah. Alright. I think this is the end of our Loot Crate journey. Ooh, it's shiny. This has got really short sleeves. So this is a extra large. Throw this bad boy on. So it's definitely an extra large. This is a tin is half empty kind of day. Okay. I'm gonna go out. We're going out to dinner tonight. I have no words. I have... Has it got pockets? Oh, it's got pockets. Oh, they're little buckets. Alright, so. if you'd like to take a look at our last video, click the button right here, and if you want to subscribe so you get more amazing content, hit the button right here. I hope you're... Bye.